Mr. Burns.
What's up, guys?
What's happening?
We took the front brake line. Front brake line out that goes from the driver's side to the passenger side.
Yeah.
So I can clean all the gunk off the cross member.
You've got a solid day of cleaning in that engine bay.
Yeah.
Might have to feed you beers while you do it so you don't lose your mind.
Yeah.
You know.
So now I'm getting ready to take the back one out, or the one that goes front to back.
Front, back, side to side.
Oh, wait. Anyways, yeah, so we got these little
We're children.
brackets to hold it.
Little tabby tabbies?
Little tabbies. There's one there. There's one there. It's kind of fun because the brake line kind of goes, Ew!
Yeah,
there's a little space right there. We can probably pull it out.
That's going to be a...
But then it goes between...
I hear you ain't good at pulling out.
I must be. I only got 2 kids.
Or you're like me and your swimmers are dirt.
That might be true.
I had to do that. That's another reason I was late yesterday. I had to send a fucking sample yesterday.
Uh-oh.
You ever whack off in a cup in your own house? That's kind of weird.
What?
Yeah. You ship it. You do it. You put the solution in the thing and you ship it.
They don't have the nurses that help you anymore?
Fuck. The last time I did it, they didn't either. They're like, go in this bathroom and here's some porn, and it was all like 25 years old. And it's like, half these chicks are dead. I can't do it for this. So I pulled my phone out and found what I like. Wow, we went way off the deep end today. Sorry.
Wow. It's one of those days today, huh?
I've been up early because we took Scotty to the airport, as everybody knows. Atlanta, he's your problem till Monday morning.
Last time I was in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, mind you, I've never been that on the East Coast. But, yeah, my jaw kind of hit the ground. When I went into Costco, and it seemed like it was all black people working and all white people shopping.
God.
Like, I was in
shock. Why are you saying that?
Well, I was just in shock. Like, because
it's a different place.
We live in California. Like, we go to Costco, you got
old people.
Yeah, really old people.
Hispanic people.
Asians, black, white.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I've been to the... I've actually never left the airport in Atlanta.
No? Like, I mean, we stopped at a Shell station and,
I had to, Tyler and I had to run completely across that whole airport to catch our connection.
I remember that. You told me that.
We flew LA, red eye, LA to Atlanta, and then Atlanta to Pensacola for the race. I've been to Atlanta a few times. That airport sucks.
Yeah, I didn't stop in the airport. We were driving to Easley, South Carolina.
Damn.
Yeah, when they said the whole family lives in the same trailer park.
Wow. So, anyway, we got way off topic.
We did.
So brake line. But
it was for fun.
Atlanta area twinks. Scotty's probably checking his grinder right now. Hell, if you're in the airport in Dallas right now, he's probably checking it for Terminal C fun. Oh no, he's gonna fly out of Terminal A, so you should be getting on the plane anytime now.
Calling some cobwebs.
Fun. Wow, we went way on the deep end.
So yeah, anyway, Wagyu, like we're taking brake line.
I like going to the south.
No, I had a blast.
Pensacola. Every time I go to the south, I gotta go visit Big T and his mama. They live there now.
Well, we drove across country, so we went to like southwest corner of Colorado. You know, at the time my grandma was living there. My good friend Jeremy lives there.
I've been there.
We stopped there for 24 hours.
Oh no!
Parts
ready.
Yay!
Thank you, sir.
Coming back to the lower ones.
Awesome. Lower arms back.
Heck
We gotta
yeah.
do the ball joints next.
But
Arms and BJ's.
yeah, we went to, and then we dropped down to New Mexico, took Route 66 across for a little while, northwest tip of Texas. We were in Oklahoma for less than 12 hours. We stopped at my buddy Chris's grandma's house, and then we went across.
Oh, this is the trip you did with Chris.
Yeah.
I remember that.
We started Mountain Home, Arkansas. I like that area. That area was pretty cool. Definitely a small town feel.
When we went to catch that thing in 21, Tyler had enough stuff on his card miles to get us there and back free. But the problem was there, we had to go to New Orleans. So Big T picked us up in New Orleans, and then we drove to Pensacola. That was fun. I sat in the back of Big T's old lady's cart, and there was an ice chest of beer next to me. I drank through 3 states. It was great.
That sounds pretty awesome, actually.
Yeah. And then we went to Waffle House, and that was loud at like 11 in the morning. It was wonderful.
Oh, it's kind of like that one time.
Oh. One time. You and I have like 1,000 of those.
Yeah.
Anywho, man, we keep getting off track because we have some good stories. We need to do videos where we just tell stories from our old days.
Oh, dude, that'd be funny.
So
here comes the fun part. So there's a clip here.
let me get over there. Or try to. Am I stuck? Maybe. We gotta get this damn drive shaft out of our way. Oh! That's gonna be a joy.
So I'm trying to figure out how to get that out. But
You know what I'm gonna say to do? Put a flathead in there, pop it up, pull a line out, and then put a wrench on the bolt, pull it out, and we'll straighten it. Or put it back in. Get the line out. Do you got another one down there?
I don't think so.
There it goes. Oh, it's right at the corner.
Oh, of course.
Right before the corner.
Oh.
Is it accessible?
Nope. That's like right here.
Why would this be fun?
Hey, but the good part, there's one on the corner over
This
here.
is not as bad. Like Wix Galaxy, it's a 63.5 or 64. We had the hell of a time getting it routed because it goes up and over the frame. But then when we did his GTO, before we put the body back on the frame, we routed it. It was way easy.
So it looks like they probably routed the lines before they put the body on.
Oh yeah, they do.
Okay.
But luckily, yeah, when we put this in, it's going to be tape up the end and snake it,
Well, it's got little rubbers.
and we'll start in the center. Even. Boop, boop.
Yeah.
I've done it, but we're a little ways away from that. There's a lot of cleaning up there to do, and we gotta get that trans cross member out, and get that mount off, and all that stuff too. There's a whole lot of going on here, Mr. Burns.
Yep.
And then we gotta figure out some parking brake stuff. We'd probably get this cable out completely. So we're probably gonna have to get him that
Cable is
wood
that?
set up. That's parking brake cable.
So what's this?
Here's
Split off?
Where's that? Electrical for the back window. That could be. There's a lot to do, dude.
Yeah, I know.
No, that's electrical.
What
For the
did it
back
say?
window. Because the parking brake cable goes here.
Yeah, I was to say it came across. Yeah, I mean we can snip that one out because
Yes.
Oh,
'cause we're
food
gonna have
barred?
We're gonna have to do a nice one. Kind of like we did on the 72 Stang. Remember we had to build that? Yes, it's right there. I have to adjust that.
what are you adjusting?
Parking brake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
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 Fine.
Yeah.
All right, so carry on, my wayward Burnsy, and I'll check back with you in a bit.
Okay.
Okay?
This is